Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of dense, flavorless desserts, or have no idea how to bake one at home with a perfectly smooth top, then you're gonna love this video. My name is Naeda, and today we're making this amazing, cloud-like confection that is so easy, and just beyond delicious. Let's get started. First off, we're making a super easy graham cracker crust. And if you don't have graham crackers around, you can basically use any cookie you like. I'm gonna use about 9 to 10 of these crackers. It's kind of up to you, how thick do you want the crust? Okay, I'm just gonna give those a chop. I'm using the blender to grind the cookies and a cup of toasted walnuts. And always toast your walnuts. It is so important to use toasted nuts when you bake. Once we have a nice crumbly mixture, we're going to drizzle in some melted butter. Go for about 5 tablespoons. The butter serves as a binding agent. We need to mix all together and create a uniform mass. We don't want our crust to fall apart. We are going to use the spoon in this case, to spread evenly the mass. It is important to have almost same thickness, but do not worry, doesn't need to be perfect. Remember, we are enjoying here and we are not in a kitchen competitions. I will place it in the freezer for a few minutes, so it can cool down faster. It is time to mix together the mascarpone cheese, cream cheese spread with strawberry flavor, powdered sugar, and heavy whipping cream. Earlier we prepared the strawberry jello. Is used to be mixed with cold water. And it serves to keep the mixture together. And will add some nice flavor to our dessert. All mix nice and smooth. By the time that we spent to mix it together, the crust should be cold now. It is time to get it out from the freezer. We'll use the spatula to spread the mixture nice and evenly over the crust. Take your time and don't worry to be perfect at the first try. You will gain confidence on the next try. And if you don't know what to prepare next, please visit my channel. I am sharing homemade recipes and dishes that anyone can prepare easily at home. And since you are there, please consider subscribing to my channel. Comments are welcome too. I would like to read if you have any favorite dishes to be prepared. Thank you. As a top layer, we will use blackberry jam. You can use your favorite one and don't be afraid to test different flavors. This will be served as a cold dessert and you can decorate with pieces of chocolate or sprinkles on top. If you or your guests can't wait to enjoy this delicious dessert, you can put in freezer for 5 minutes and serve right away. Or you can leave in the refrigerator for about 1 hour and serve it cold. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't seen my other videos yet, in the screen is a great one to watch.